Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel where we learn how to achieve financial freedom with the best tips and tricks. Today, I have a special treat for you. 15 assets that can make you rich. And I'm not talking about boring or risky assets. I'm talking about assets that generate passive income, grow in value, and have low risk. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. These assets are real and they can change your life. Whether you want to make more money, build your wealth, or retire early, these assets are for you. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First up, let's set the stage. What exactly is an asset? Simply put, it's something you own that puts money in your pocket. It's the opposite of a liability, which takes money out of your pocket. Think of it like this. Your car? Liability. Your rental property? Asset. Your fancy watch? Liability. Your dividend-paying stocks? Asset. Now that we're on the same page, let's explore these 15 wealth-building powerhouses. Number 1. Dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for owning them. It's like getting paid to own a piece of the company. Think of them as little money-making machines, chugging along in the background while you go about your day. Number 2. Index funds. These are like baskets of stocks, giving you instant diversification and low fees. It's like owning a tiny slice of the entire market. Index funds are a great option for passive investors who want broad market exposure. Number 3. Real estate. Whether it's rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, or even your own home, real estate can provide both income and appreciation. Real estate can be a tangible asset that provides a sense of security and can generate passive income through rent. Number 4. High-yield savings accounts. These offer a safe place to park your cash while earning a decent interest rate. It's like a comfy bed for your money. While the interest rates may not be as high as other investments, they offer liquidity and easy access to your funds. Number 5. Bonds. These are loans you make to companies or governments, and they pay you interest in return. They're generally considered safer than stocks, but with lower returns. Bonds can provide a steady stream of income and are often used to balance the risk in a portfolio. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money directly to individuals or businesses through online platforms. It can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts, but it also comes with some risk. Number 7. Your own business. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own business can be a great way to build wealth. It's not easy, but the potential rewards are huge. Starting a business allows you to be your own boss and have unlimited earning potential, but it also comes with risks and requires dedication and hard work. Number 8. Intellectual property. This includes things like patents, trademarks, copyrights, and royalties. If you create something valuable, you can earn money from it for years to come. Number 9. Your skills and knowledge. Investing in yourself through education and training can lead to higher-paying jobs and more opportunities. It's an asset that no one can take away from you. Number 10. Your network. Building strong relationships with people in your industry or field can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. It's not just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Number 11. Precious metals. Gold, silver, and other precious metals can act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. They're a tangible asset that can hold their value over time. Number 12. Collectibles. Rare items like art, antiques, and memorabilia can appreciate in value over time. However, it's important to do your research and invest in items that are in demand. Number 13. Cryptocurrencies. These digital currencies have exploded in popularity in recent years. They can offer high potential returns, but they're also very volatile and risky. Cryptocurrencies are a high-risk, high-reward investment. It's essential to thoroughly research and understand the technology and market before investing. Number 14. Your health. Taking care of your physical and mental health is an investment in your future. It can lead to lower healthcare costs and a more productive and fulfilling life. Good health allows you to work longer, enjoy life more, and reduce the financial burden of medical expenses. Number 15. Your time. Time is the most valuable asset we have. Use it wisely to pursue your passions, build your skills, and create a life you love. Time management and prioritization are key to making the most of this finite resource and achieving your goals. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and discipline. But by investing in the right assets and making smart choices, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your wealth today. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.